Hello friends, sometimes when you speak English language, suddenly you forget the words which is very familiar to you, but suddenly you forget in your native language, you forget the meaning of that word in English language. So to memorize that word for always, it is very necessary to make the practice, and only thing is that speak the English language and make the best use of such kind of words again and again in your speech, so that finally that word will be memorized permanently in your mind. Otherwise mostly it happens that the very familiar word, whenever you speak you forget the meaning, and then you, when search or browse in dictionary, find the meaning, then you feel astonished that this is very common word and it was very familiar to me, and why I have forgotten this word meaning. So in this way there is a word sange marmar in Urdu language, and I have heard the speech of someone where he used the word sange marmar. Then I thought that what is the what we call sange marmar in English language. Suddenly I forgotten the meaning of sange marmar in English language. That is very familiar word. I often use this word is often used in homes, in construction. So when I browse when I search in the dictionary, I found that the marble is called the sange marmar. Marble is very common word, daily used word. So sometimes it happens that very common words you forget, and you feel difficulty while finding the meanings of those words in English. So I think the best thing is to make the practice to speak the language on daily basis, so that and use different words, not speak on same topic again and again. You can discuss on different topics, you can discuss on different happenings. In this way new words will come to you and you will memorize those words, and you will make a best use of those words in your sentences. Other thing that is very necessary while speaking English language is the confidence. If you lack the confidence, you will not be able to speak proper English. To speak proper or fluent English language, the confidence is required. And how you will get the confidence? You will get the confidence by speaking with the people, by speaking in front of the camera, by speaking in the gathering. Sometime make your speeches in English language whenever some celebrations happen in your surrounding. Sometimes use some English words, English sentences. You can also make your speech in mixed languages, in your own native language and some words in English language. In this way, slowly you will improve the language skills. So don't lack the confidence. Other problem whenever you speak English language is that you lack the vocabulary words. So you will fill your mind with a lot of vocabulary, not at once but slowly. If you try to memorize 100 words a day, then it will become difficult for you to remember them. Memorize 5 words or 10 words on daily basis. 5 words on daily basis onwards for 1 month. In the period of 1 month, you will memorize 150 words. And again, when you memorize the 150 words, again revise them, repeat them, again and again repeat them. In this way, the words will be feed in your mind, and when you will make the practical use of those words in your spoken English, then slowly, gradually, they will be the part of your language. I also used to memorize difficult words and their meanings. I have a lot of collection of those words. Whenever I find any difficult words, I search their meanings and I note down on a paper. And in this way, I have a lot of collection of papers. And on daily basis, I used to memorize one paper. There, I think 20 or 30 words are written. So when those all paper, I think the papers are 200 or 300, 400 maybe. When those all papers finished, then I again repeat them. After the interval of some months or after the interval of 1 month, I repeat them. Sometimes after the interval of 3 months, I repeat them. In this way, the words slowly and gradually are becoming the part of my speech. So whenever you try to speak the language, first of all, speak common sentences. Try to speak the language with fair, not use the difficult words, but very simple words. Try to speak the simple English in your own accent. Because sometimes we are much worried about our accent. Accent does not matter when you learn the English language. During the period of learning the language, accent does not matter. If you pay much attention towards the accent, you will not memorize the other things related to English language. First of all, make your vocabulary powerful, fill your vocabulary and learn how to construct the structure sentences. And then when you feel that right now you can speak the English language fluently in your own native accent, then try to adopt the accent of other people. So if you speak the English language fluently in your own native accent, then automatically you will come to know the accents of other countries and other peoples. So it's in this way you will be able to speak English properly. And right now I'm speaking very slowly because whenever we speak fastly, the other people, those are learning the language, they feel the difficulty while understanding whatever we are speaking. So main thing, as I told you in my previous videos, the main thing is that whatever you are speaking, the other person is understanding. If other person is understanding your speech, then it's okay, good. Hope you find this video useful, and before leaving this video, please hit the subscribe button and also give your feedback below in comment box so that we will make the videos of your choice. Hello me, Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you, bye bye.